Okay, so welcome back. In this lecture, I will show you a different method on how to capture the username and the password from the victim using a PHP script. So first off, I will change directory to /var/www/html. This is the location for the Apache web server where the captive portal files are located. So if I use ls, you can see all the files. Now here I have added two more files, which is capture.txt and post.php. So let's open post.php using nano and the name of the file. And here is the PHP code. Basically this code will grab the username and the password from the login form and save it in a file called capture.txt, which I already created. So I'll close this and open index.html using nano and the file name. Now here on form name, go to action and type /post.php. This is the PHP file which will be used to capture the login credentials from the victim. And don't forget to save the file. And then restart the web server using service Apache 2 restart. Okay, now let's go to the victim machine and connect to free Wi-Fi. And in the login form, I will type John for the username and let me in for the password. And click login. Okay, so let's go back to the Kali machine and see if I've managed to capture the login information from the victim. So I will open the capture file using nano and put capture.txt. And here you can see the username and the password. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.